Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video we are going to be making the linkage arm, and all the numbers on this should be pretty straightforward. I'd say the one thing you'd have to watch out for is that here they talk about the circle as a diameter of 0.128, but then up here they're talking about this top circle, but it's not a complete circle anymore, so they're using the radius number. So we have to double this number before or for it to make sense. The only other thing is that this 3.5 is from the center of that circle to the center of that circle. And then typical just means that both of them are running through. Same for this. Okay, let's put this thing together. We're going to draw it out first. Start a sketch. I'm just going to start by drawing out a circle, and then on each end of the circle, drawing out a small circle, and then a larger circle. Okay, it doesn't really matter what the dimensions are. It's just like drawing it out. And now that we have that, we're going to dimension from the center of one circle to the center of another. And we're going to say 3.5. So I zoomed out. That looks pretty good. We know that the height of this, so from the top of this to the bottom of this, is 0.25 inches. Okay. And then we just want to, that should be centered, but I'm just going to double check. Make sure this says 0.125. If it does, you're good. If it doesn't, then type it in there. So I made sure mine were in the center, so both of those are fine. Now the little circle, we'll start with that one. It's 0.128, as well as the one up here. And then the larger circle is 0.1875 times 2, because that is given to us in radius, but we want to double it so that it works out. Okay, so there we go. Those are all the components. It looks pretty good. I'm going to use the trim tool now, and I'm going to trim off the excess lines. Okay, I'm watching the shape very carefully. If it warps, I need to kind of backtrack it, and sometimes it does warp if you delete a line that you shouldn't. But there we go. That looks pretty healthy. I'm going to finish this sketch, and then I'm going to extrude out this center portion, a total of 0.125 according to the document. Press OK, and there you go. You've just made the linkage arm.